In this video, we will understand how to write a dissertation outline. Begin with a clear introduction outlining your topic and research problem. Define your research objectives and questions to guide your dissertation. Provide a literature review to establish the context and relevance of your study. Detail your research methodology, including data collection and analysis approaches. Present your findings and results in a structured manner for clarity and understanding. Discuss the implications of your research findings and their significance. Create a reference list citing all sources used in your dissertation. Organize your outline logically with clear headings and subheadings. Ensure coherence between sections for a seamless flow of ideas and arguments. Use bullet points or numbering to break down complex ideas into manageable sections. Review and revise your outline to ensure it aligns with the overall structure of your dissertation. Consider feedback from peers or advisors to refine your outline further. Maintain consistency in formatting, style, and citation throughout the outline. Stay focused on your main research goals when outlining each section. Avoid unnecessary details in the outline, keep it concise and to the point. Use keywords or phrases to highlight key concepts or sections within the outline. Consider the overall coherence and logical progression of ideas when structuring the outline. Include subpoints under main sections to provide detailed breakdowns of content. Ensure each section of the outline contributes meaningfully to the overarching research goals. Seek guidance from academic resources or examples to refine your outline effectively. Allocate sufficient time for creating a well-structured and comprehensive dissertation outline. Use templates or guides to assist in organizing your dissertation outline effectively. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest video notification. Till then, good luck for your academic journey.